You've heard plenty of good things about silicone coatings, but today I'm going to talk about the bad things that you won't hear about. Coming up right now.
The first thing you won't hear about is that silicone coatings get extremely dirty. And as it gets dirty, it loses its ability to reflect sunlight. So we recommend to get that silicone coating washed at least twice a year to help it last longer and continue working effectively. The second thing you won't hear about is that silicone coatings are very slippery. In fact, I've heard some people say that they're more slippery than an ice cream. Although they are very slippery, I haven't had that be the case from my personal experience. Walk pads are absolutely essential for silicone coatings.
Although there's plenty to like about silicone coatings, as you can see, there are some bad things. But what's most important is that the silicone coating is installed correctly on your roof. So make sure you do your research and hire the right roofer.
That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time, and take care.